Okay boys, the challenge is over, and as you can see, we have managed to pass the verification. As you can see, 5% in profit, and our account is currently under review. So I think today or tomorrow I should receive a funded account, and the series will continue. And let's get this account to pay out, okay? To be super transparent, and you will see literally from A to Z, from zero to payout, everything here on this channel. So as you can see, the target was met, 5.13%. Today is actually Monday and the target was met Friday. So yeah, as you can see, Friday 13th, 1.7k on gold. If I check the TradeZilla, it says 2.564 and 52.564. So I took all in all four trades. First was a loss on silver, then win on EU, break even, and win on gold. I believe, yeah, we break down the EU in the last episode. So today I'm gonna be breaking down the gold trade. And yeah, as you can see as well on the MT5, this was the first entry and there was some scale-ins. This was the close which passed the challenge. So if I go on a Discord, this is the buy limit I sent on gold. I believe it was last Friday. So this trade took 1 week, okay? So last Friday I sent this buy limit here, swing position, then scale-ins, okay? And I type everything, okay? I typed everything to the channel. So first was buy limit right here, okay? With a stop loss here, target here, cool. Then move stop loss under the lowest low and scale in, okay? Which stop loss 3291 and scale in right here. All stop losses at 3291, okay? I sent my all positions here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 positions, scale ins. Total risk is 1.5%. I'm not risking more than my 1.5% because that's the rules, okay? Gonna be looking on EU buys today. Yeah, I was having a buy limit on EU, but it was CPI news and it didn't tag me in, which is whatever. We passed it anyways. So this is unfortunate. Slippage, yeah, not slippage, but spread. So this was gold. And yeah, again, we going, boys. 342 is the verification pass target, as you can see, okay? But then move stop loss a bit higher and scale in again, like this. Look at this. Before stop loss was here, then I moved stop losses here, and then at another scale in, as you can see, buy limit, which was activated right here. And TP for verification pass was 3410. Yeah, 2410, 3410, okay, is the challenge pass target. And boys, over the night, the take profit got absolutely fucking destroyed. Account pass, let's fucking go. 52.564, 5 a.m. And as you can see, 3410, which was closed right here. And as well, if I go on a funding pips, it says the same balance. And if I check the, can I see it? Yeah, as you can see, the latest positions, 3410.5, 3410.6, yeah, all these positions were sent as a scale-ins to the Discord, were closed exactly as I said, the target, 3410, okay, and we managed to pass that account. So let's break down the trade right now, okay? So what I was seeing on gold was exactly the same thing I was breaking down actually in the last part, because I was already in the position, but the position was in a drawdown. I was holding it over weekend, okay? So as I said, like, I know I'm bullish. Why? Because price made this push right here. So this is my swing low and this is my swing high, okay? So I'm bullish. I'm not gonna go against the trend. I'm gonna buy. Okay, so all this is a pullback phase. Now, I don't want to buy like randomly in the pullback phase. I want to buy when I'm gonna see the lower time frame structure shift, okay? And once price tested this previous high right here, as you can see, then price to start to do something like this, creating series of higher highs and higher lows, okay? Which means the market is ready to go up, and my target is all the time swing high. So I think we are gonna get there, but right now it's whatever. So for me, I was trading this price action right here, and this was my internal low on this internal H1, H4 down uptrend. This was my internal low. This was my internal high. Okay, I'm gonna delete the zone for now. I was trading this price action right here. So the first entry was right here with a stop loss under here. Why right here? Because I set a buy limit on this wick as a swing position, okay? And I said to the members, okay? Let me find it. I said buy limit here on gold, swing position, then scale-ins. As you can see, entry here on the wick on the trend line, stop loss under. So entry here, stop loss under, target was at that point this, okay, for 2.4. Now, for me to be able to scale in to that position, I want to see that M30 and M15 trend, the pullback phase, okay, this is the swing low, this is the swing high, okay? And now I want to see that pullback phase, which right now is bearish, to flip bullish for me to be able to scale in to that position, okay? So market will start to do something like this, and then we broke structure to the upside, and then we retested the structure. So my first scale in was, let me check, was right here, okay? My first scale in was exactly when this position. Why? Because I saw market was creating series of higher highs and higher lows. So my stop loss went here, 91, I believe, 91. And this stop loss, again, 91, which means this stop loss went from 620 pips to 380, which is almost half. I cut the stop loss almost at half, so I was able to add another half hour of that position. So I add another half hour position and same TP, okay? Boom, that was the first scale in. And the second scale in was when price break this level of resistance, which also was level of support in the past, which means that is a key level for me. And I set a buy limit at this zone, okay? At this zone, and at this point, I moved all of my stop losses under this low, okay? Which means this stop loss got smaller, this stop loss got smaller, and I was able to add another percentage to, not percentage, but add another risk to this position. I don't know, it was like 0.1, not that big of a deal, but it was a scaling, okay? As you can see, let me check the gold. I also send it as a prediction, exactly what happened, right? Moves a little bit higher and scale in like this again, okay? Buy limit 2348.6, which means 2348.6 exactly right here, and stop losses, all stop losses were here. Now, the target originally was here, okay, for the challenge pass, but thanks to my scale-in strategy and my scale-in method, the target for the challenge pass was only 2, 3, 4, 10, because all these scale-ins accumulated itself, and I only needed here to pass the phase, okay? And yeah, like market closed at Thursday somewhere here, and I was super confident we are gonna get there. And as you can see, like market closed here, all of these scale ins, boom, I set TP here and take profit was smashed to the T over the night. And yeah, that was the trade, boys. Like, cannot get any transparent than this, right? As I said, I always target H4 high, I mean swing high, which is right here, but I only need it here. We passed it. Right now I'm waiting for that account because they are reviewing my stuff, my account, and once I'm gonna get there, there's gonna be another part, okay? And as I said, I'm gonna be withdrawing payouts, I'm gonna be withdrawing money from the account. So you can see, like, literally in 1 month, in 4 weeks, I was able to pass challenge phase, pass verification phase, and right now I'm gonna get to the funded stage and possibly make some money from that account. So yeah, it was beautiful trade. Everything was here. We flying. Everything I sent here, I did exactly that, okay? As you can see, also sent my MT5 here, okay? Same take profit. And yeah, account was passed. As you can see, boys, funding pips, phase 2, okay, and 5%, 5.2, 5.64. Yeah, exactly, 5.2, 5.64. So yeah, as I said, cannot get more transparent than this, and I will be I will be looking to buy gold again, maybe today if I can get that account. If not, I'm gonna be taking it on my live account. It's whatever. Again, it's the same principle, boys, right? Market is doing something like this, and I'm always targeting swing high, okay? We are not there yet, right? Because swing high is right here. So this is another push. Right now I'm waiting for a pullback. This is a great zone to target. Right now price is dropping like crazy, and we are here. So I'm not gonna be taking it as if right now. Let's see if I manage to get in somehow, but yeah, market is there because market dropped crazy right now. So yeah, listen, that's it for the breakdown, and I will see you in the next part, and probably in a payout phase, in a payout stage, let's say. Okay, so as I said, cannot get any transparent than this, boys, and yeah, see you next time. If you want to join us on this journey, as I said, you don't have to, but if you want to make free money, you can. DM me on IG, DM me on Discord, we will figure something out and we will make everybody some money. Okay? Peace, boys.